The UK Ministry of Defence has announced a major investment of £204 million to develop a cutting-edge radar system for the Eurofighter Typhoon aircraft. This new radar, known as ECRS Mk2, European Common Radar System, is designed to give the Typhoon unmatched capabilities, including detecting distant targets with high precision and tracking multiple threats simultaneously. It will also allow the aircraft to jam enemy radar systems, operate efficiently in electronic warfare environments, and guide automatic strikes with greater accuracy. This upgrade will significantly boost the operational power of the Royal Air Force and further strengthen the UK's defence collaboration with NATO and allied nations. In the wars of the future, weapons alone won't decide the outcome. Technology, artificial intelligence, and real-time data will. This radar represents a giant leap in that direction. The Typhoon jets will now become smarter, faster, and deadlier, ready to face the modern battlefield with next-generation precision.